How to add music, text, and emojis to Instagram Note. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, make sure you have updated your Instagram app to its latest version. Now open your Instagram app. You're gonna land to the home page. At the top right corner, you can find this messenger icon. Tap on it. You will land to the chat section. Now at the very top, you can find this option of your note. Tap on it. From here, you will be able to share text as well as emojis and add music to your Instagram Note. Firstly, type in whatever you want to share. Along with the text, you can add some emojis as well. Instagram has updated with this new feature, music. You can add music to your Instagram Note. Tap on this music kind of icon. Here you will get different music options. Also, you can search for the music of your choice. At the very top, you can see the search box. You can just type in the name of the music that you want to add to your Instagram Note. After you search for the music of your choice and it appears, you can just open the music. Now from here, you can easily select the particular part of the music by swiping on right and left in this way. And after you do that, you can tap on this option of done. Now your Instagram Note is ready with the text, emojis and music. You can tap on this option of share to upload it. You can see that I just updated my Instagram Note along with the music feature. So this is how you can easily add text, emojis and music to Instagram Note. This was all for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.